Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is going to be on our elite NFT memberships here at Cryptopia in our VC group. What am I talking about? Well, we have a VC group. If you don't know what that is, basically we are a venture capitalist or crowdfunding. And what we do here at Cryptopia, apart from being a unique, interesting YouTube channel, we help people get in on the ground floor to amazing projects that they wouldn't normally have access to. Because trust me, I've been in crypto a while, and it is actually really difficult to get in on the ground floor for good quality projects. You need to be a part of different launch pads. You have to hold a certain amount of tokens. You have to have this. You have to have that. And trust me, you have to invest a lot of money to be able to get small allocations in different projects. And what we're doing here at Cryptopia is we've really decided to, well, we wanted to make a no barrier to entry, okay, VC group. And so just to start out, I'll explain to what we are and how we've broken it down. So basically 40% of all projects go into our free Telegram chat. You get about a $100 allocation, okay? So if you want to invest, 40% of the projects that we get will go there, and you're going to be able to invest with no investment apart from just buying into the project that you want. That's great. That doesn't happen anywhere else in the crypto space that I've seen. The next thing, you could join our VIP Patreon Telegram chat, okay? Very affordable, very accessible. You get access to, I believe, 60% of the crypto projects that we get access to through our VC group, and you get a $250 allocation. This is great because it's a very small monthly fee. Once again, pretty much unheard of in the crypto space. The next tier up is our Karma NFTs, all right? You're going to get access to 80% of the projects that we get, and we get really good quality projects. I'll name some of them off here in a minute. But by holding a Karma NFT, you're going to get access to 80% of the projects, and you're going to get a $750 allocation. This is great. This is amazing because, trust me, even that alone, in other VC groups, other launch pads, you would have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to be able to get a $200, $300, $400 allocation. That's the reality of it. And just by holding a Karma NFT, you can get $750 bucks. All right. But this video is on our elite NFTs here at our Cryptopia VC group. So what is an elite NFT? Well, there's only 150 NFTs that will ever be minted. All right. Super exclusive, super tiny, and you're in a group with other like-minded crypto millionaires. And I do say this, crypto millionaires. Trust me, there are some guys in there that actually do have Lamborghinis that they've bought with crypto. I'm going to let you watch a video right now from one of our elite memberships that owns a Lamborghini. Check this out.
All right, guys. I see the question when Lambo posted all the time. When Lambo, when Moon. Go grab yourself that Cryptopia Elite NFT. Join the Patreon group. Get those early buy alerts. And you never know. One of these days, you might be driving one of these bad boys too. So yeah, man. Therefore, go and grab yourself an elite NFT from Cryptopia. Put yourself in a great position. Ready for the next bull run. And hopefully, get yourself one of these bad boys.
So there you have it. Beautiful Lamborghini that was paid for and bought with crypto. So big hats off to you. So if you want to have the opportunity to own a car like that, buy one of our elite memberships. It's pretty much guaranteed. No, I'm just joking. But you do have opportunities to do it. Nothing is guaranteed in life. You have to work for it. You have to have dedication, and you have to focus on what you truly want in life. And trust me, you can and will achieve it. So, but by owning an elite membership, we are giving you the tools that you will need to be able to access this kind of wealth. And like I said, we've done amazing projects. In the last year, we've actually raised over $1.5 million through our VC group in private sales and seed sales to amazing projects. Projects like basically Myria, projects like Satoshi Island, projects like Aprion, Super Oracle, so many more. But those are just to name a few really good projects that we've done raises for. And by owning an elite membership NFT, you get huge allocations. Like I mentioned before, you know, if you join other VCs and other groups, you're lucky to be able to get maybe $800, $900, maybe $1,000 in investment. By owning an elite Cryptopia NFT, you can actually get up to $10,000 in allocation on projects. It's unheard of. Trust me, that is unheard of in the space. In the last bull cycle, me personally, I spent up to $20,000 to get into certain VC groups. I won't name any names. To be able to spend up to like $700, $800 on a raise. And I'm going to tell you, that's crazy insane money. It's just to have the opportunity to be able to do what we're doing here at Cryptopia. So by our elite NFTs, like I said, there's 150 of them, and you have access to an exclusive Telegram chat with like-minded, wealthy crypto investors. You can learn from them. They're there to help us grow. And trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. In the next bull cycle, these things are going to be hot. Now, what are some of the other benefits? I'll just touch base on that really quick. Basically, you also, this is interesting. I haven't seen this on any other VC groups ever, okay? But by holding one of our elite NFTs, you're going to get a kickback. There's a raffle on the raise. So which is, for example, let's say we do a $200,000 raise. We get a really good project. It's the next bull cycle. Everybody's wanting to invest, and the raise does $200,000 in raise. Well, we're going to give 10% of that kickback is going to go to some lucky raffle winner that's holding an NFT. You're going to get 10% of that back. So you're going to make $2,000. You're going to get back for free. Okay, and that's on every single raise. Somebody's going to win that kind of money. All right. The next thing is basically there's 10% built into. So if these things get relisted on, like let's say OpenSea or something like that, and they sell for $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, these NFTs might start selling for in the next bull run. 10% of that is going to be divided up equally amongst all the NFT holders. So this is amazing passive income. Trust me. Do not underestimate these. So how much does an elite NFT cost? Well, it's $2,000. You can mint them with our minting dApp. It's super easy. Basically, you just go, it's an ETH, and they are easy to mint. And trust me, if you have the money, I highly recommend you minting one of these. You will not regret it, especially as we move into the next bull cycle. So if you have any questions on our elite NFTs, feel free to reach out to myself, leave a comment below on this video, or ideally go over and join our Telegram chat. You can look for myself, any of our moderators, or any admin, and you can ask some questions, and we can contact you. There's also links to our pitch deck we'll leave here in the description below, and links to all the different ways of minting these NFTs. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a big favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and if you can, mint one of these elite NFTs. You won't regret it, trust me. Life-changing gains will be made from the holders of these NFTs. All right, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smile, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day, Cryptopians.